So you downloaded Zepeto, you want to grow a following, but your avatar looks like this, your profile picture looks like this, your name looks like this, and your posts look like this. In this video, I'm going to be going through a few mistakes that you could be making that stop you from growing. Hi, my name is Paulina, I'm a verified Zapetto creator, and I hope that this video helps you even just a little bit. First thing that you want to stop doing is using presets. Don't use presets. Don't do it. Everybody knows you're new. If you're going to do anything, go to face, go tweak it a little bit, change it up, or go on YouTube and look for face tutorials. It's better to be a preppy clone than a noob clone. If your posts look like this, please stop. Please, please, please stop. If you want to seriously start growing, you need to stop posting random posts. If you seriously want to grow on Zapetto, you need to start making your own edits. Start editing, make the videos fun, don't have it too plain. Don't use CapCut templates though, because people can tell that you're using them and they don't really care for them. Put your personal touch into videos. Don't try to be original because nobody's original these days. Whatever you make, somebody else made in the past. Don't worry about that too much. Also, make thumbnails. That way your profile looks cute and people see that you're actually putting in effort. If you have this annoying watermark when you're exporting your video, go to settings, go to privacy, scroll all the way down and uncheck save content with Zapetto ID. If you start the app and your name is Zepeto, whatever, please change it. Make it nice, make it cute, put symbols in your name, whatever. I just did this. And change your ID. Now your profile looks cuter and people won't assume that you're new right away. If you want to have an image as your profile picture, go to change profile picture, click on a pose, add a background image, whatever you want it to be. Go click on your avatar, hold it, and yeet it. Every single time you post, please make sure you use hashtags. You can go to search and look up all the trending keywords and use them. If you don't have any Zems, but you wish you had some cute Zem outfits, you can always go to gifting lives. Please don't beg though, because most of the time, they're gonna ignore you or kick you out. I also gift people that are in my club with my symbol in their name. You also have to be active. So join my club, be active, and have my symbol in your name, and you're gonna get gifted. Don't be shy, socialize. Make sure you like and comment on people's posts. Make sure you just comment. Make sure that you're making friends, collabing with people, and yeah. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm going to be making more tutorials on Zapetto and CapCut to help you guys. Follow me on Zapetto, like the video, and see you soon.